Hi there, welcome to my channel. This is my first English episode. I really want to show you how to use this can opener. I got this tool from Amazon and it was about $10. It is very useful for me. Before I always need to call for some help to open cans, but now I do not need anymore. The tool looks simple, but it is not very intuitive. At least I didn't know how to use it for the first time. So I'm gonna show you how to use it in this video. Later on, if you get this tool, you can use my video as a reference. We'll need to put this little knob on the top of the can. And this round part will stick to the edge of the can, like this. Notice this little knob is on the top of the surface of the can automatically. The edge of the can goes in between this large round part and the smaller round part, which is a blade. Then you can start turning this big black knob clockwise. When you feel loose, just to turn the knob the other way, anti-clockwise, to remove the can opener from the can. Last step is to use this little pincher on the side to lift the already loosened can top. Now you can enjoy your canned food. If my video is useful to you, please share, subscribe, and leave your comments down below too. I'd like to hear from you. See you next time. Bye!